Sam, mate, be careful the well up.
Is everything okay?
Yeah. Look, I'm innocent. I'm not going to hide at home and let them intimidate me.
What's he doing here? Rubbing the Dingles' face in it on mine?
Maybe Amelia nagged him into it. Ignore it, please. Tonight's for the kids.
Where's Dad?
Oh, darling, he's not coming to the fireworks now because he's had to work. But he said that he's going to take you out over the weekend, OK? Matt's going to be here any minute. Oh, hang on. Hello? Where the hell have you been? No. It's all right, I'll come to you, yeah? OK. Let's go and find Mum. Mom.
I don't want any trouble.
Oh, me neither. Peace offering. Oh, I'm sorry, it was a bit of a shock when I saw you the other day. It caught me off guard. Heath would want us all to move on, enjoy life, so I reckon we all do that, yeah? He'd have loved all this. Especially the hot dogs.
Thanks, babe.
Thank you.
Oh, I do love a bonfire. Not so sure about fireworks. Maybe a bit jumpy. A bit like horror films.
Oh. Don't worry. I've got you. Go and supervise your brothers.
Why? What are they doing?
Bobbing for apples with Archie and Dottie. Make sure they don't drown each other. Or Laurel. Tom said he wasn't planning on coming. Another one of his lies.
Oh, my God. Look.
Jack doesn't need any extra stress.
Is this supposed to be me?
Don't rise to him, Tom, because that's exactly what they want.
So not enough I got a brick through my window, attacked, and now this.
Yes, that is who you think it is.
So you made it, then?
Yep. Just in time.
Can you believe the absolute gall of that bunch of inbreds?
Just calm down. Let's get you home.
Can't believe they would pull a sick stunt like this.
Maybe we should just go home. We don't want any trouble.
Which one of you lot did this?
I did it. What are you going to do about it?
Don't know. I think you found it was me.
Sorry. Not so sorry.
Oh, busted. Why do you have a pop at me because it was me who did it?
I'll hold your coat.
Oh, yeah, I forgot. You only attack women, don't you?
Leave it, Aaron. Battering him's not going to help Belle, is it?
But the poor girl's sick. Can't you see that?
Whole family's crazy.
Tom, maybe we shouldn't have come.
I didn't even want to come here. It was your idea.
Was it? Oh, God, but I thought you said you weren't going to get intimidated, and I just wanted to support you because you said you wanted to front it out.
This was you. Meddling, making things worse, and look at you. Chasing after me like some stray dog. Do you know how pathetic you look?